Empiricism in a balanced way is a great thing. But the problem is that if you're this logical positivism is claiming that to know something, you have to control it. Therefore, you can't study things that you can't control. Is a very dangerous way to look at life.
Things about the world which can't be subject to the controlled experiment.
At every moment, when you wake up in the morning, you have to make a decision. You decide things based on the values you hold. Values are metaphysical. So to live a life with free will, to live an intentional life, and just a normal human life, at every moment you are deciding things based on values, and the set of all your values expressed by your free decisions is your philosophy. And so, in fact, everyone is philosophically not a physicalist the way they live their life. Go ahead.